viewers, you are watching LMR channel and I am Malik Akil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Dear viewers, today I am going to tell you about one of the most popular application of social media, and that is Twitter. This application I will tell major 2 point. In one point, I will explain some fact about the Twitter, and in point number two, I will tell you about how to avoid from hacking of Twitter account. So let me start from the first point, and in this point, I will explain some major fact about the Twitter. So fact number one is, dear viewers, the fact number one is related to blue bird of the tutor, that is logo of the tutor, and few people know that this blue bird is called Larry. When the tutor was developed in 2006, and then in 2012 when it gained its popularity, from 2006 to from 2006 to 2012, between this 6 year between this span of 6 years, different people questioned and speculated that whether this bird is Larry or not. And in 2012, later the Twitter manager Ryan Server tweeted, tweeted and confirmed it that this logo and this blue bird is Larry. So fact number one is related to logo of Twitter. Few people know that the logo of the Twitter and bluebird is called Larry. Second fact is related to hashtag. Hashtag was developed in 2007, and at that time few people know that this tag will become more popular in coming days. Now this tag is more popular in not only in Twitter, but it is also popular in YouTube application. Dear viewers, now what does this hashtag do? Hashtag can be inserted before or after or between the words. It basically links the similar words. Suppose my name is Malik Akil. If I insert hashtag before my name, so this tweet will be linked all those tweets where Malik Akil is found. So this function of hashtag is linking between the similar words. So the hashtag, it is hashtag which spread the tweet to other peoples. So it now become more popular than ever. Now the question is, when this hashtag become trend in Twitter application, when a tweet is viewed or tweeted by more than 1000 viewers, then it become trend. Viewers, third fact is related to followers of the Twitter. According to 2019 report of the Twitter, more followers, which person has more followers? Katy Perry has more followers, and roundabout it has 107 million followers. This woman created account in 2009, and after 10 years, it gained 107 million followers. There was also clash between this woman and Barack Hussein Obama. Most of the people speculated that this woman has fake account, but this cannot be found. So according to Twitter report in 2019, this woman Katy Perry has most follower, and those are 107 million followers. Fact number four is related to storing of tweets. Library of Congress in 2010 announced that this library will save all the tweets from this 2010 to onward. But the later, after passing few years, this Library of Congress announced that now from this day to onward, library will save only those tweets those have gained popularity, those have retweeted maximum time. The fact number 5 is related to popularity of tweets. First tweet was posted by the Jack Dorsey in 2006 at 9:50 p.m. This was the first tweet, and its wording was just setting up my Twitter account. And the second most popular account was posted by Astronaut, and that was posted from outer world and it was posted from space. So though these two tweets are more popular. Fact number 6. Dear viewers, you know that in internet world everyone is trying to access information from a server. There is load on the server. Same is case with the Twitter. There is also load on the server of the Twitter. When it feels that it is there is load on the Twitter server, it display a page. That page is called fail whale, fail fish. You can also see this logo. You can also see the image of this whale that is displaying on my screen. The Larry birds are trying to pull up this whale, and this show that Twitter server is facing load. As I said earlier that in this video I will explain 2 points, and in first point I told you I explain the fact related to Twitter. In the second point now I am going to tell you how to avoid from hacking of Twitter account. In hacking of Twitter account, first point, checking of first point is we should check that either our account is compromised or not. So what is compromised account? There are three features. There are three main points related to compromised account. First one, in first point we will check we have seen any unexpected tweet from our account, and the second point is either we have received any notification related to security from Twitter main application, and the third is either we have seen any message that is showing that your password is not working. So these are 3 points. These 3 points shows that either our account is compromised or not. Viewers, if your answer is yes to these 3 points, then prepare yourself for taking the precaution measures. And what are those precaution measures? There are three precautions measures. First one is this: quickly change the password of your Twitter account. Quickly change the password of your Twitter account. Second point is make secure your Gmail account. Make secure your email account by two-step verification. And the third one is delete all the unwanted tweets and scan your device so that all the infected files are cleaned, all the infected files are deleted. Dear viewer, this is all about the fact of Twitter and the how to avoid hacking from the Twitter account. Dear viewers, please comment on my video. How was it? See you with the next video. Pakistan Zindabad.